So 150,000 naira. 150,000 naira. I want you to put this particular number at the back of your mind. My question is, what type of side hustle do you think somebody can earn 150,000 naira either daily, weekly or monthly? Share your opinion down in the comment section. So in this particular video, I have a side hustle that I want to talk about, and I believe it is not too late for you to start. This side hustle is something a lot of people are jumping into in 2026, and one of the reasons is because you don't really need capital for you to start. You can start with your smartphone, you can start with your tablet, iPhone or Android. If you're a beginner, you don't really have much experience about online stuff, if you're a student, you know, a stay-at-home mom, anybody can start this particular side hustle. And I'm doing this particular video because a lot of people have come into my DM, and a lot of them are asking me, Solomon, as it stands now, I'm a student, I'm a stay-at-home mom, I don't have any money, but I would like to start an online side hustle. So that is why I'm making this particular video today. Now, by the way, if you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. I talk about side hustles on my channel. Do what to like, share, subscribe to get more content from me, and also comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. I really appreciate. Please mind you guys, this is not a financial advice, and I'm not saying after watching this you start making hundreds or thousands of dollars, but I got an information to share, and I believe after passing this information you're going to learn a lot. Now, however you use this information matters a lot. You can decide to act on the information, you can decide not to act on the information, so the choice is absolutely yours, guys. So let's get started. What is this side hustle and why is it so important? This side hustle is called clipping. Clipping is one of those side hustles that is trending. What is clipping and how does it work? In a very simple explanation, clipping is just turning long videos into short form videos, cutting an existing viral long video into a short video and posting it on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, even Facebook. That is what they call clipping. There are different kinds of clipping. I'm going to explain all of them so that you know the one that you're going for. So number one right here is called podcast clipping. This is you, and these are brands or different company or different channels on YouTube. Anyhow you want to put it, it's either these brands, they come to you as a video editor, as an editor, or as an agency, or you go to them, you get their long form podcast, you get their podcasts from them, you get their podcast videos from them, like 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour plus. You edit this particular podcast, okay? You edit the podcast, and once you edit the podcast, you cut some interesting parts and you post them on your social media. Now you have two options. If they are the ones that come to you, you edit these videos and you send it back to them for them to post. If you're the one that wants to clip their video, you go to their video, you cut it and you post it on your social media page. If that particular post goes viral, they are also benefiting because people that watch those clips will like to go and look for the full video. This is where it gets interesting. Once you cut these videos, if they are not the one that come to you, once you cut the video, you can post it on platforms like Facebook. Platforms like Facebook, number one. You can post it on platforms like TikTok. I know some of you will say, Solomon, but there's no monetization on TikTok. Yes, you can actually create a UK TikTok. Create a UK TikTok. I know how to create it, and I believe it's something that anybody can do. Create a UK TikTok and post these clips, and you can monetize that TikTok and you make money from that particular TikTok page. This is called podcast clipping. The next one right here is called TikTok work with artists. So they call this one, it's actually inside TikTok. This is a creator reward program where TikTok pays its creators for using people's sounds. The more views you have, the more likes and more comments. The next one we have right here, I call this particular one streaming. I call it streaming, or you can call it streams clipping right here. Now this is the one you follow popular streamers on platforms like Twitch or platforms like Kick. There's a platform called Kick, okay? Follow them on platforms like Twitch or on platforms like Kick. Creators like Kataife, if you're from Nigeria, Kataife, Pella, can go for international creators like iShow Speed. Go over to Twitch, go over to Kick, get their stream. Same thing that you did with those podcasts. Cut the interesting part and post them on social media. Very simple. I've created a video on how you can actually accomplish this particular type of clipping. I've created a video, so do want to go check it out, okay? So post it on social media. Next type of clipping right here is, I call this one content reward. This is a case whereby you, as a creator, you go to different platforms that offer clipping jobs. On this particular website, they have what they call campaign. You're going to look for an active campaign. It could be music, it could be videos, it could be movies. Each of the campaign can pay $1 per 1,000 view, $3 per 1,000 view, $2 per 1,000 view based on the campaign. Now, what are some of those tools that you're going to need for this to be possible? The first tool is your phone or your laptop, like I said earlier, or your tablet. Another tool that you're going to need is an internet connection. Yes, you need an internet connection. Another tool right here is a video editing software. Yes, a video editing software, or an AI video editing software. Let me explain. Now, a video editing software so they can cut those videos. And if you don't have a video editing skill, you want to outsource the editing, there are some AI platforms that can help you edit podcasts. So all what you have to do, just take the podcast and put it inside there, and it helps you cut it and trim it automatically. It looks for the most interesting part, it trims it automatically, and you just take it and post. Some of those AI even help you post it automatically. For example, this one that you're seeing on my screen right now, this one can help you do the job. It can help you cut the long videos, trim it to short, and even help you and post it on your social media. But the problem is that it's expensive. So if you have the money to pay, then fine, means you're free. You don't have to cut any video, you don't have to edit any video. But if you don't have the money to pay, well, that is when you have to learn how to cut videos. You can use apps like CapCut or InShot. Personally, for me, I use InShot to edit my video. If you don't still know how to cut videos, but you like to learn how to do video editing, all what you have to do, check the comment or the description of this video. I've pinned a video editing class in there. Just go and check out that video editing class. You're going to learn how you can edit videos using just your smartphone. So it's actually a smartphone video editing course. I believe you can start from there. These are some of the tools that you're going to need for you to start clipping. Now let's talk about some of the websites that you can go to get these clipping jobs, or you can go to get these clipping gigs. Let's talk about some of those websites. The first website is this one. They call it clipping.net. Clipping.net. You can see they say grow, earn, and go viral with clipping. You can see this is how it looks like. So all what you have to do, you pick your campaign just like this, either from Kick or from Stake, Bounty, from Drake. This is music. If you're clipping music, the more views you have, that is how they reward you. Okay, so this one is called clipping.net. Clipping.net. I have another one right here. They call this one is it Dozlo or something? So that's the name, Dozlo. We call this one Dozlo. So go and check this one out. So it's called Dozlo.com. It's still the same thing. You can use it for clipping. If you clip videos, and you also get paid. This is another website. The next one right here on my list is called Content Reward. Is from Warp. Okay, you can see, register your account, look for campaign, look for the campaign you like based on the content you're posting, then you start the clipping. Okay, and the next one right here is called ClipperPay. ClipperPay. I see they say turn content into currency. It's still the same thing. You can start clipping on this platform and they reward you. Now another website I have on my list is this one right here. They call this one nextc.io. Edit posts, get paid. So this one is another clipping platform that you can start clipping right here. Another one I have on my list is this one. They call clipping.io. Clipping.io. So you can see they say clip viral content, post it, and you make some money. These are some of the websites you can go to get clipping jobs, or you can go for clipping. So all might not work for you. Just choose the one that will have a suitable payment method, the one that will work for your location, and the one that will not hang your phone. Some of them are very heavy, so they can actually hang your phone. So choose the one that will not hang your phone, the one that you can use smoothly without any issues, and the one that you can actually receive payments without any too much headache. Okay, just in case you don't understand clipping and you're still confused, I'm going to be doing a clipping class. Yes, but I'm going to post it on my Selim account. Now I forgot to mention Selim. They have launched their app on Google Play Store, so go and get the Selim app, because I post videos on Selim, so that whenever I post video, they are going to notify you.